How to see what apps use the most battery on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. On the Settings screen, scroll down the list and tap on Battery. The battery screen opens and begins loading your usage information. At the top you can see the battery level graph along with a selector for last 24 hours or last 10 days that indicates the time range being shown. Then, scroll down and tap on View All Battery Usage. Go to the Battery Usage by App section where each app appears with a percentage of battery used. The apps listed at the top are using the most battery for the selected period. Scroll through the list to view more apps and compare their percentages and activity bars. Use this view to quickly spot any app that is draining more power than you expect. This makes it simple to understand which apps are impacting your battery the most. Following these steps, you can easily see what apps use the most battery on iPhone.